Hello students, I am Aisha Munshi handling math subject for 4th standard. So students, today we are learning our first chapter of fractions. In this chapter we learn fractions and types of fractions. So student, how many types of fractions? First one is like fractions and unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions, cross product two equivalent fractions. We learn the concept of cross product of two equivalent fractions and we solve exercise based on these concepts. Today we are going to learn one more new concept. Student, this concept is unit fractions. Unit fractions. Let us know what is the unit fractions. So student, fractions that have 1 as the numerator are called unit fractions. Thus 1 by 5, 1 by 9, 1 by 23 are examples of unit fractions. Observe that unit fractions are proper fractions. Students, those fractions which have 1 as the numerator, it is called unit fraction. On the upside of the line, written number is called numerator and below side written number is called denominator. Which fractions have 1 as a numerator, it is called unit fractions, and unit fractions are proper fractions. Unit fractions are always proper fraction. So student, what is the meaning of proper fraction? Let us know. Proper, improper and mixed fractions. There is 3 types of fractions: proper, improper and mixed fractions. If the numerator of the fraction is less than denominator, it is said to be a proper fractions. Thus 3 by 7, 4 by 11 and 12 divided by 17 are proper fractions. So student, if the numerator means these numbers, numerator is less than denominator, it is called as proper fractions. You can see here, numerator is less than denominator and denominator is greater than numerator. Next, what is the improper fraction? Let us know. If the numerator of fraction, if the numerator of fraction is greater than or equal to the denominator, it is said to be an improper fraction. If the numerator of fraction is greater than or equal to the denominator, it is said to be an improper fraction. 8 divided by 5, 9 divided by 7 and 4 divided by 4 are examples of improper fraction. Student, you can see here denominator is greater than numerator and numerator is less than denominator. It is called proper fraction. In the improper fraction, this is in reverse. Here numerator is greater and denominator is lesser. Numerator is greater than denominator and denominator is less than numerator. 8 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than 8. It is called improper fractions. If the numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator and equal to the denominator. Here numerator is equal to denominator. You can see 4 divided by 4. It is improper fractions. Now student, let us know what is the meaning of mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. An improper fraction can also be expressed as mixed fractions. Improper fractions are expressed as mixed fractions. Consider the improper fractions 8 divided by 5. On dividing 8 by 5, we get the quotient as 1 and the remainder 3. This can be expressed as mixed fraction. So student, what is the fraction? Fraction is 8 divided by 5 and it is a improper fraction. We have to divide 8 by 5. You can see here. Here 5 ones are 5 and remains 8 minus 5. How many numbers remains? Remains 3 numbers and it can be written as 1 3 divided by 5. 1 3 divided by 5. Here 1 is the whole number part. 1 is the whole number part and 3 divided by 5 is the fraction part. 3 divided by 5 is the fraction part. So students, on page number 89, exercise number 1.2. Exercise number 1.2. First exercise classifies these fractions using the table given below. Students, there is given fractions and one table. In this table there is 4 columns. One is unit fractions, mixed fractions, proper fractions and improper fractions. We have to write these fractions in a particular column. So student, first is unit fractions. Unit fractions are those fractions which numerator is 1. So student, in this fraction whose numerator is 1? Numerator is 1. First 1 divided by 7. Right here 1 divided by 7. Next this one. This one is 1 divided by 13. Right here 1 divided by 13. So student, next there is no fractions which numerator is 1. So second column is mixed fractions. So student, an improper fraction can be expressed as mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is like this: 3 1 divided by 5. Right here 3. Sorry student, 3 1 divided by 5. Next is here 6 3 divided by 8. 6 3 divided by 8. These two are mixed fraction. Next is proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator of fraction is less than denominator. So student, you can see here numerator is less than denominator and it is proper fraction. Right here 2 divided by 9 and here 1 divided by 13. Here is numerator less than denominator. 1 divided by 13. Next here 2 divided by 11. 2 divided by 11 is also proper fraction. Here numerator is less than denominator. Last column is improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator or equal to denominator. Here numerator is greater than denominator. So student write here 15 divided by 4. Next 27 divided by 8. Here 7 divided by 7. Numerator is equal to denominator. Right here 7 divided by 7. Next is 27 divided by 8. Here is numerator is greater than denominator. Right here 27 divided by 8. And last one is here 24 divided by 7. Here is also numerator is greater than denominator. So student, practice these fractions in your maths notebook and also in your textbook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.